Hello, I just wanted to show you how to allow cross-site tracking and to disable blocking of pop-ups with the Google Chrome app. So first we're in our settings here. I need to scroll down until I find the Chrome tab. Tap on that. Allow cross-website tracking. So this is different than Safari. We actually want to make sure that this is turned on. We are allowing cross-website tracking. So make sure that that option is selected. Okay, then we're going to go to the Chrome browser. We're going to look for the three dots. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Content Settings. And then block pop-ups. We want that off. We do not want to block pop-ups. By default, yours is probably turned on, so you just need to turn it off. We don't want to block pop-ups. We want to allow them. Of course, this is for experiencing greater success with SchoolsPLP and the ORVED platforms. It seems like those two need to allow cross-website tracking and to allow allow pop-ups. Okay, hope that helped.